Hello, Kyle's Garage viewers, and welcome back to another episode. Episode 28, removing the cowl from the Bronco. A lot of spot welding, a lot of work to be done, so I just kind of left in, like I said from the last episode, that I'm going to leave in a little bit of work and just kind of time-lapse it so you guys can see what I went basically into getting it off of there. And it wasn't all that bad. So, anyways, before I kick the video off, I want to say welcome to all the new subscribers. I've had a lot over the last few weeks come in. That's awesome. So hello to all you new ones, and hello to everybody who's been here the whole time. Thanks for watching this whole time. We're up to 79 subscribers as of the filming of this. But I'll shut up now. Enjoy the video. Alright, so the first thing to do when I'm removing this cowl, or any on a Ranger apparently, or anything like that, the cowls are spot welded on. All these little spots here are spot welds, and on this particular truck, on the back side of the windshield, they're all through here, and like we just said, all through here, and then there's probably a few under here that I'll have to peel this, whatever that is, off, and then they go all the way across. And there's only one annoying part of this whole thing that I've realized, and it shouldn't be too bad. I just really hate that I have to take off my factory VIN tag with the factory rivets, and for whatever reason that breaks my heart, because there's two spot welds on either side, or on the bottom side rather, on either side of the tag. But it'll be okay. We'll be able to re-rivet it back on. Alright, I figured this is a good time for me to stop for a second and explain where I'm at. As you can tell, I've gotten this whole windshield portion, I guess you'd call it, spot welded, and I went through with the hammer and the putty knife. And it's all separated. There's just glue holding it together on this side, so we'll slowly peel that up as we go around, but it is totally loose around there. And then to fully get it off, I got to drill these sides on both sides and all along the backside of the hood area, I guess I'd call it, the front of the cowl. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Alright, sit rep on the cowl. I've got it all loosened up. The cowl itself is totally loose, as you can see. Very jiggly wiggly, many spot welds drilled. However, the wiper transmission, where the wipers both come through, are there's like a bracket that they are affixed to, and they are also spot welded right through here. So I got to find some spot welds there. And same on the other side, drill those, and then this should pop off. All right, I crudely drilled the spot welds holding the wiper transmission in. So this should be cowl coming off. Ah, yes. There it is. I actually didn't beat it up too bad trying to get it off. Being a little whooped on the corners and stuff, but I am pleased. All right, and with that cowl being off, I can see down into like this area here, which is completely rotted away, and I'll be able to much easier make the correct, patch panels and whatever that has to go in here by having it exposed like this. Also, I'm gonna have to clean this out so you can see it really well, but if you look on this back side, this whole cowl piece here, or whatever you want to call this area, I can really see everything. And now I can really get in there and start fixing the mass majority of our rust issues. Which actually, now that I got it off, doesn't seem that bad. This is obviously the worst part. I mean, it's completely not having any metal in there, but I'm pretty sure I can build, a good portion of, well, all of that, build that back up to normal looking so it can accept a windshield eventually and not leak. And also, I got to, I'm going to keep the wipers and everything, so this all will stay. It'll just get, cleaned up, and yeah, I think that's a good step for now. Alright guys, there you go. Hope you liked the video. Cowl's off. I can get in there and repair some more rust. I did kind of, mangle a few little things along the way, but it'll all go back together just fine. And maybe some of you have noticed the focus that photobombed during part of it. I'm sure that the focus will be on the channel in the near future. I'm waiting on an idle air control valve so I can actually, drive it or at least move it around. It's not wanting to stay idling very well. But anyways, I'm not going to talk about the focus right now. If you see it, you'll know it. So anyways, guys, take care, and I'll see you next time.